For years now, there's been such a great concern for the quality of our tap water that most of us drink bottled water or water that's filtered in some way. Well, how about some different options? The Crawford Company has a lot of those, and Chris Schultz is here to tell us all about it. Chris, good having you here.
Good afternoon, Paula. Thanks for having me.
You're so welcome. You're a plumber yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
So you help install these systems, like these water softener systems.
Yep. Crawford Company is now teamed up with BrassMaster water softeners to kind of tackle this water issue around the local area.
Yeah. What is our water hard, or what's the issue here?
So residential and commercial applications, it's not unusual for the hardness to be prominent in your water. This is comprised of a couple different minerals such as calcium and magnesium with a little bit of iron, and if left untreated, these cause significant scalings in your plumbing applications and appliances in your home.
Yeah, and I mean it affects the flavor of water too, right? If you're drinking it from the tap. So the water softener, I think a lot of people don't really understand that. I know this is a very high-tech system you guys do.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's called BrassMaster.
Yeah.
So so that's what the unit looks like.
Yep.
Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. 2-tank system. That lower unit right there is the salt tank, and the jacketed tank on the right-hand side is the actual softener itself.
Explain the salt part.
So the salt part, the water softener deals with an ion exchange process to remove that hardness from your water and ultimately give you soft water. That salt tank is going to draw a little bit of salt for the unit when it does its regeneration cycle and ultimately eliminate that hardness from your water.
And I think maybe you should clarify that it doesn't make the water taste salty.
No, it does not make the water taste salty. No, ma'am. It only adds maybe a teaspoon of salt to your overall water.
Overall, like for your whole home.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a really hot system. I know you guys are putting a lot of those into homes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a one and done thing? I mean, once I have this system, it's set now?
Yep, it is set in stone at that point. You shouldn't have any issues. It'll kind of do its own thing. It is a metered system, so it's only going to regenerate off your water usage if you're home. It's not going to recharge if you're not there.
This is installation that you're doing here?
He's soldering some of the pipes up now, getting ready for the install.
So this unit's all going to be in my basement?
Yep, we're going to install this right after your water meter, and really try to treat that water coming into your home right away.
And does this go hand in hand with the lead removal system, or is that separate?
Yep, well, it does go hand in hand, so that we are also offering Pioneer whole filtration lead removal system, and that's going to tackle that lead problem. So a lot of these homes have a lead service line coming into their home, and over time that can kind of break down and get a little bit of contaminants of lead coming into your home. And this whole house filtration system is going to tackle two forms of lead. It's going to be particulate and your soluble lead.
And that's what that looks like, right?
Yep. Another single tank unit right there, all in one, and it does everything on its own.
Well, we know that lead is a very negative thing to have in your water, and so how would you know? There's testing for all of this, right?
Yep, Crawford does complimentary testing. We will come to your home, test your water, and pick the specific application necessary for your home.
Oh, that's great. I mean, that's what most of us probably don't know. Maybe you know you have hard water.
Yep.
Maybe. Because of their deposits you're seeing in
you'll see a lot of those white deposits on the end of faucets and stuff like that. Soaps don't lather up very much. You almost get a dry, itchy feeling when you get out of the shower. That's all hard water.
But you might not know about the lead, right?
You might not know. A lot of people do not.
Yes.
They're just totally unaware.
That's very dangerous health-wise, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you definitely want to get that taken care of. And here's the other thing. You guys are doing a giveaway.
Yes.
On is it the water softener? Yes.
Yep, you can enter at kwqc.com. The only stipulations are you must be 18 or older, be a homeowner, and live within 30 miles of Crawford.
Okay, which would be, like, you guys are located?
Rock Island.
In Rock Island.
Yep,
so
right next to the river.
Just 30 miles away, and this is a $1,500 value. So just a little bit, we'll show you where you can go for that, because when are you guys going to draw? Are you drawing for that?
The contest will... The contestant will be drawn the 25th. The contest ends the 24th.
Yeah.
And this is for the BrassMaster water softener installation by Crawford Company in your home.
Okay. So you can go to crawfordcompany.com, or we have it on our station website because we're doing a kind of a partnership with you guys about this. But that is a very nice prize to win, right?
Yeah, lots of benefits from those.
Do you notice that people are really satisfied and notice a difference?
Absolutely.
in their homes? What are the biggest things you hear, Chris?
Right away. Some of the things right away is that soaps lather up better. So with your laundry detergent, you're saving money, not using as much. Same thing with hand soaps, body wash, shampoos. It's going to extend the efficiency of your water heater because it's going to reduce the scaling on your appliances with the installation of these water softeners, so ultimately saving you money.
Wow, well, that's what we all want. And especially since once it's installed, you're done.
Yep, the only thing you have to do is just double check on that salt, make sure you got some salt in there for it to run efficiently, and it does its own thing.
Well, Chris, I know you and your crew will be out to take care of folks.
Absolutely.
Crawford Company in the Quad Cities. You guys have been around a long time. Very reputable company, and yeah, congrats on offering that that giveaway for folks when it comes to the water softener system.
We're very excited for this.
Yeah, it's good to have you here today, Chris.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, thanks for what you all do.
Thank
Thanks.
you.